characters in that, which is you get truth, fake news, post-truth, or arrogance where we fuck facts and cherry pick what science we want to believe in. Stories were meant to connect us, but with compulsion to narrativize, dramatize heroes' journeys, goodies, baddies, we become